Welcome to Eli Works. We're gonna fix this little four-wheeler today. Little electric thing. Model EC105. Anyway, this thing had forward but no reverse and no low. It was just high. There's a little lever here that actuates that. Sorry I don't have video of it together or taking it apart. But this is where we're at. And here's the switch. And it's pretty simple. On the bottom, there's a little plastic that toggles. Just a plain old switch. So there's two in here. One of them's high-low, and the other one's forward-reverse. And they go bad from sitting out in the rain and being old. There's no circuit boards in this thing. It's two of these switches, and then the contact pedal switch. So the battery flows into that pedal switch, and then comes up, and then high and low, just all that does is cut out one of the motors. There's two motors for high, one motor for low. And so you flip the one switch, it just sends the power to nowhere for the one motor. Well, anyway, if you have one of your directions not working or whatnot, this is how to fix it. You know, that switch was just screwed on 4 screws and just unbolt it. And then you can push these tabs in and then pop the switch out. Then we just pop in 2 new switches and put it back together.